In this video, I'm going to show you how to move pictures from Google Photos to Google Drive in a simple step-by-step way. This is a really useful process if you want to back up your photos, organize them into folders, or make them easier to access across your devices. Since Google Photos and Google Drive are two separate services, the quickest way to move your pictures is to download them from Google Photos first, then upload them into Google Drive. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Let's jump in. First, open Google Photos in your browser and sign in to the Google account that has the pictures you want to move. Once you're inside Google Photos, take a moment to find the images you want to transfer. You can select one photo at a time, or if you want to move several pictures at once, hold down Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac while clicking each photo. If you want to select a whole range of photos, you can also use Shift depending on how the photos are arranged. After selecting your photos, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the three-dot menu. This menu gives you more actions for the selected pictures. From the list of options, click Download. Google Photos will prepare the files and save them to your computer. Depending on how many photos you selected, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. If your browser asks for permission to download multiple files, make sure to allow it so the process can continue smoothly. Once the download is complete, the photos will usually be saved in your Downloads folder, unless you change the location in your browser settings. If the files are zipped together, just open the folder and extract them if needed so you can access the image files individually. This step is important because Google Drive uploads files from your device, so the photos need to be stored locally first. Now open Google Drive in a new tab and sign in with the same Google account, or the account where you want the photos to be stored. Inside Google Drive, look toward the left side of the screen and click the plus New button. This is where you can create folders, upload files, and add new content to your drive. When the menu opens, choose File Upload. A file picker window will appear. Go to the location where your downloaded Google Photos images are saved, usually the Downloads folder or the folder you chose earlier. Select the photos you want to upload. If you want to upload multiple files, you can again use Ctrl or Command to select more than one image at a time. Once your pictures are highlighted, click Open. Google Drive will begin uploading the photos from your computer into your Drive account. You'll see a progress indicator in the bottom corner while the upload is happening. If you selected a lot of images, just give it a moment to finish. When the upload is complete, your pictures will appear inside Google Drive, ready to organize into folders, share with others, or keep as cloud backups. If you want to keep things neat, you can create a new folder in Drive first, and then upload the photos into that folder. That way, all of your pictures stay grouped together and are easier to find later. This is especially helpful if you're moving photos for work, school, or long-term storage. So just to recap, the process is open Google Photos, select your pictures, download them, open Google Drive, click plus New, choose File Upload, and then upload the downloaded photos from your computer. It's a simple workflow, but it's the easiest way to move pictures from Google Photos to Google Drive. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Google tutorials, app guides, and tech how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.